guys, Doug here at TBM Brakes. We're in the middle of doing all new instructions for all of our brakes. Along the way, we're reminded of a lot of the things that make TBM so great in terms of braking. The design, not only for braking, but service and maintenance. If you look at our DR1 two-piston caliper for our spindle mount style wheels, it's actually a true two-piston caliper. That means there's two opposing pistons, which means a more robust and strong caliper, which flexes less, which in turn is better braking for you, but also is a more free moving caliper and pad design so that it gets the brakes off of the rotor so that it can spin freely when you're not on the brakes. Another cool thing about this caliper is it's designed to be serviced as a one-piece unit, so you can actually slide it over the rotor while the wheel is on the vehicle. Unlike a lot of spindle mount style brakes, which may require you to take the brakes completely apart to service pads or take the wheel or brakes apart. This is as simple as any other caliper. You slide it right over, put your two caliper bolts in like you would any other brake, and you're off and running.
Good.
Just for another view, you can see slides right over. And the nice thing is you can take this retainer pin out and actually put pads in without taking the caliper off at all. So just shows you how easy it is to take on and off at any time.